if you are new to this channel, my name is Nisha and this is my YouTube channel Bits and Beyond. So today we are at Brown County State Parks. So now we are going to one of the lookout point.
Let's go.
There are so many trails in this park. You guys should see this. So guys, now we are starting our trail. Is this a trail?
Oh, here is just 0.5 mile trails. Should be able to do it in 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes.
10-12 minutes.
Okay.
Short distance around there.
What do you think about this?
About what?
This trail will be for 10 minutes. Will you be able to walk for 10 minutes?
Yeah, I'll be able to walk at least for 10 minutes.
Guys, do you think this guy can walk for 10 minutes? Just comment down below and let me know. So guys, he's explaining why his glasses are so good. Little bit muddy, but I like trekking a lot and we will be coming a lot at this place in this summer.
Content is that we should have come in morning.
Yeah, it's quite sunny right now because it's almost 4, right? We were watching series in the morning because it's Sunday and we ate some aloo parathas. So it took us so long to come here, but yeah, it's fun.
Maybe the water to sit down so that the water doesn't, the track doesn't get too muddy.
Little, so we'll give you lot of knowledge from our vlogs too. There is gonna Aditya, okay,
Monkey tricks.
he's half monkey man.
Obviously, monkeys. We were monkeys at some time. Our ancestors,
Okay.
not us.
Okay, yeah. So what do you think about this place, Adu?
Good.
Do you recommend other people to come here?
Yeah, those who are staying in Columbus, Indiana, it's not far away. It's just 20 minutes drive. And literally, even if you drive 5 minutes east toward Franklin or Nashville, you will notice change in the weather. It's all hilly and it's good.
You should come here, guys. It's really good place and there are a lot of things to do. They have their own campground and another really big swimming pool, so you can enjoy, come here with your family and spend the whole day. Really good. Okay, now we are going towards lake. Hello guys, so finally we completed our small trail. It was just 15 minutes, but it was really good. And now me and Adu are planning to come here every weekend. What do you think about it, Adu? plan? Where are we heading towards now? Do we have any plan? No, we don't. Huh?
Yeah.
So guys, we just drove back home, had some good food and then doze off. But there are a lot of new videos coming up soon because we went to our favorite place in United States and I'm so excited to share that with you all. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram and see you soon in the next video. Bye.